Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a few important points related to Bathukamma festival. This is a part of the syllabus prescribed by TSPSC. The topic comes under the cultural history and society of Telangana, where you have to study all the festivals that are being celebrated in Telangana. So, Bathukamma is one of the important festivals. The state government has also declared it as the state festival. Apart from Bathukamma, Bonalu is also another important festivals of Telangana. We have discussed Bonalu festival in our previous videos. So here we are going to discuss the importance of Bathukamma festival in Telangana. So the questions will be asked on various aspects of the festival. It may be regarding the importance of festival, its historical significance, and the goddess associated with the festival, and the importance of various days during the festival. As the festival is celebrated for 9 days, the questions may also be asked on the importance of various days as part of the ritual. So in TSPSC examinations, the syllabus has mentioned this topic for most of the examinations, and it is included in the general studies part of the group 1, group 2, panchayat secretaries, group 4 examinations, and also police constables and sub inspectors written examinations, etc. So all the general studies papers includes the topic cultural history and society of Telangana, in which Bonalu, Bathukamma and other festivals will be part of it. Now let us see the importance of Bathukamma festival from the examination point of view. Bathukamma has been known as the Telangana's floral festival, where the entire festival is associated with the flowers. The meaning of Bathukamma is living forever. That the meaning is associated with the history of the festival. There are various versions with regard to the history of the festival. So all the versions have been related to the goddess Gauramma or Parvati. So in that way, the Bathukamma festival is celebrated by offering devotion to the goddess Gauramma or Parvati. So as have said, the festival is known as Telangana's floral festival, and it is mainly belongs to the women folk of the Telangana region. Even though men and children also participate with a lot of interest and enthusiasm in the festival, the young and unmarried girls play an active role in the entire process of the festival. So, in that way, the festival is known as the festival of young girls in the Telangana region, and it is grandly celebrated by them. So, the main purpose of this particular festival is to pray the goddess with devotion and strong belief that all young girls would get their beloved husbands as per their desire and wishes. And coming to the remaining section of the population, married women also celebrate the Bathukamma festival along with their households, friends, and relatives in order to pray to the goddess for prosperity and good health of their family. And men also participate in the festival along with their wives and other family members, relatives, and friends, help in the gathering of flowers and floral arrangement of a beautiful flower stack during the festival season. So, in that way, the festival has been celebrated by all sections of the people that are marriageable girls and married women and men and also children. In that way, the festival has so much significance in the region. So, the festival is celebrated for 9 days. That starts with Amavasya. The first day of the festival will be an Amavasya. So that is also known as Petara Amavasya in Telangana region. So the food offered or the Naivedyam on the first day is sesame seeds with rice flour or nokalu. The first day of the festival is called Engil Pula Bathukamma. The second day of the festival is called Atukula Bathukamma. This falls on the Pademi of Ashwin Masam. This is another important point. You have to remember this. The festival is celebrated during Ashwin Masam. The first day of the Ashwin Masam is Pademi, and as per the ritual of the festival, that will be the second day, and it is called Atukula Bathukamma. So the Naivedyam or food offered on second day is Sappidipappu, Bellam, and Atukulu. Sappidipappu, that is bland boiled lentils, jaggery, and flattened parboiled rice. So the second day of the festival is called Atukula Bathukamma. So coming to the third day of the Bathukamma festival is called Muddapappu Bathukamma. So, so this is the third day of the festival, but it will be the second day on the Ashwin Masam. So the food offered on that day, as the name itself suggests, It is muddapappu, milk and jaggery. This is offered as naivedyam to the goddess on the day of Muddapappu Bathukamma, that falls on third day of the festival. And fourth day of the festival is called Nanabiyam Bathukamma. This comes on Tidiya, and that is the third day of Aswija Masam and fourth day of the ritual. So the food offered during the fourth day is Nanabiyam, that is wet rice, as the name itself suggests, along with milk and jaggery. This is the food offered to Nanabiyam Bathukamma on fourth day of the festival. The fifth day of the festival is called Atla Bathukamma. This falls on Chaturthi and fourth day of the Aswija Masam. The food offered on this day is Uppidipindi Atlu or Dosa, as we call it Dosa. That's why it is called Atla Bathukamma. On the sixth day of the festival is called Aligina Bathukamma. It falls on the day of Panchami, that is the fifth day of Aswija Masam. So, as the name of the day itself suggests, Bathukamma will not take any food on that day. No food is offered for Aligina Bathukamma on the sixth day of the festival. On the seventh day of the festival is called Vepakayala Bathukamma. This falls on Sashti. As per the Aswija Masam, it will be on the sixth day. You have to remember this difference between the days of the ritual celebrated and corresponding days in the Aswija Masam. So the seventh day of the ritual is called Vepakayala Bathukamma. That falls on Sashti, and in the Aswija Masam it comes on sixth day. So the food offered on this day is rice flour shaped into the fruits of neem tree, is deep fried and offered as naivedyam to Vepakayala Bathukamma. And the eighth day of the festival is on Saptami, and that is called Vennamuddala Bathukamma. So that falls on the seventh day of Aswija Masam. The food offered on that day is sesame, butter or ghee and jaggery. And the ninth day of the festival is called Saddula Bathukamma. This is the last day of the festival, where it is celebrated on Ashtami, and 8th day of Aswija Masam, and the last day is also coincides with Durgashtami, that is Dasara. So the food offered on the day of Saddula Bathukamma will be in 5 types. All are cooked rice dishes. These are curd rice, tamarind rice, lemon rice, coconut rice, and sesame rice. All are called saddi, as we call in Telugu it as saddi, పెరుగన్నం సద్ది, చింతపండు పులిహోర సద్ది, నిమ్మకాయ సద్ది, కొబ్బరి సద్ది, and నువ్వుల సద్ది. All these five types of cooked rice foods are offered as naivedyam to Saddula Bathukamma on the last day of the festival that coincides with the Durgastami, that is Dasra or Vijayadashmi. So the festival is going to be celebrated from 20th to 28th of September in 2017 across the state of Telangana. So the TSPSC usually asks questions on this Bathukamma festival, on the importance of various days as we have discussed now, and also the food or the naivedyam offered during these 9 days. Hence, the candidates appearing for the competitive examinations have to prepare from this perspective in order to gain the good marks. We will be discussing more cultural aspects of Telangana society in our forthcoming videos. So if you like the video, please share and also subscribe to the video to get the latest updates. So happy Bathukamma. Thank you.